we have completed practice set 16 as well as practice set 17 numerals. Okay, only word problems are remaining. So we are going to learn word problems practice set 17. So let me share my screen with you. After that, I will teach you how to do sums on whiteboard. Okay. Now here question number 1 has been done. If we see question number 1 has been done. Carry out the following divisions. It's very easy, right? How to do division of decimal fraction, right? How to do division of decimal fraction. All right. First, we need to see the decimal point. If we see this example, first of all, we'll see 4.8. Then we can see after decimal point how many numbers are there. So after decimal point only one number is there. So we will raise and we'll take as after decimal point only one digit. So we'll take only 10 divided by 2. So 2 को हम 2/1 लिख सकते हैं as no denominator is there. As no is there, so we can write 2 as 2/1. Okay. After writing 2/1, we will divide it. Okay. Now 48
Shubhangi, your voice is breaking. Okay, students will wait for a few minutes.
Okay. Just a minute. Screen is visible to you. Is my voice visible? Is my voice audible and screen is visible?
Teacher, screen is wait. Screen is not visible. Voice is clear. I can't see the
Screen is
whiteboard.
not visible. Whiteboard, you can.
Yes, now it is. Okay.
Okay. So give me confirmation whether you are able to see the screen or not. Yes, everyone. Please give me confirmation whether you are able to see the screen. I'm asking you about it. Okay. So just a minute. Okay. Now, here the question is 4.8 divided by 2. 4.8 divided by 2. Now 4.8 divided by 2. So we can write it as just a minute. So 4.8 we can write it as 48. We can write 4.8 as 48. Now check how many digits are there after decimal point. After decimal point only one digit is there, है ना? Decimal point के बाद एक ही digit है. So we can write 4.8 as 48, and because of as only one digit is there after decimal point, so we can take it as 10 divided by 2 as it is. ठीक है, divided by 2. But now here no denominator in 2, so we will take it as 1. Simple step है बेटा, आपको confuse नहीं होना है. 4.8 को हम लिखेंगे 48 अपॉन डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट है, इसके लिए हम एक ही 0 देंगे. 10 को डिवाइड का साइन वैसे रहेगा 2 अपॉन 1 because as no denominator is there, so we can take it as 1. ठीक है. Now 48 अपॉन 10 remain as it is. Now अब हमको क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन को डिवाइड के साइन को मल्टीप्लीकेशन के साइन में कन्वर्ट करना है. जैसे ही हम डिवाइड के साइन को मल्टीप्लीकेशन के साइन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, तो हमारा जो नंबर है 2/1 will become 1/2. I repeat this again, everyone please pay attention. 4.8 we can write 4.8 as 48. Now after decimal point only one digit is there, right? Only one digit is there. So we will take only 1 0 for 10. Divide sign will remain as it is. 2 will remain as it is, but here as we have taken 10 as denominator, as we have removed the decimal point, and we have written over here 10. Now 2 will come as it is, but here no denominator is there, so we'll take it as 1. Now 48 upon 10 will take down. We'll convert this divide sign into multiplication sign. As soon as we have converted this divide sign into multiplication sign, this 2/1 will become 1/2. 2/1 will become 1/2. Now you can directly multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. You can multiply directly. So 48 into 1 upon 10 into 2. You can directly multiply numerator with numerator, numerator with numerator. So here in this case, which is numerator, 48 into 1 upon 10 into 2. Numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now 48 into 1 is how much? 48 upon 10 twos are 20. 48 upon 20. What it is? 48 upon 20. ओके. नाउ ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसमें 48 भी है और 20 भी आता है? कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जिसमें 20 भी आएगा और 48 भी आएगा? विच नंबर इज देयर? किससे हम इसको, बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट कन्वर्ट दिस नंबर. नो, सॉरी, माय क्वेश्चन वाज रॉन्ग. 48 upon 20 is the number, but we want the answer in decimal point. We want the answer in decimal fraction. Okay. तो डिनोमिनेटर को हमको देखना है. डिनोमिनेटर हम इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमको आंसर 100,000 में मिलेगा. 20 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे so that we will get the answer in 10, 100 or 1000 form. 10, 100 or 1000 form. Correct, Sachi. Very good. We will multiply this number by 5. We will multiply this number by 5. Okay. 5 से हम इसको multiply करेंगे. So that we'll get the answer. 20 into 5 is how much? 20 into 5 is how much? 20 into 5 is 100. तो हमको 100 मिला. और 48 into 5 is? 48 into 5 is? How much answer it is? 48 into 5? It's 240. It's 240. Okay. So 240. नाउ 240 अपॉन 100, तो 100 में कितने जीरो है? 2. तो वी विल टेक फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. 100 में कितने जीरो है? 2, है ना? हाउ मेनी जीरोस आर देयर इन 100? 2. तो बैक साइड से हम 2 डिजिट्स काउंट करेंगे, 1 2. तो हमारा डेसिमल पॉइंट कहाँ पे आएगा? 2.40. 2.40. ठीक है, आंसर इज 2.40. I repeat this again. Everyone, please pay attention because these sums are very important, very very important. Okay, आपको ये sums है ना 10th standard तक रहने वाला है बेटा. So you should very much careful about what is going on in the sum. ठीक है, कैसे कैसे स्टेप्स आगे बढ़ रहा है और कैसे हमको डेसिमल पॉइंट कहाँ पे देना है. You should know that. ठीक है, हमारा क्वेश्चन था 4.8 into 2, राइट? 4.8 into 2. तो 4.8 को हमने कन्वर्ट किया 48, पर अगर हम 4.8 को 48 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हमारा जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है वो यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे. मतलब क्या? डिवाइडेड बाय 10. एज ओनली वन डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद ओनली 1 डिजिट था, तो हमने यहाँ पे 1 0 डाल के डेसिमल पॉइंट को एडजस्ट किया. ठीक है ना? एक ही डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट, एक ही डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट था, तो हमने डेसिमल पॉइंट रिमूव करके वो डिजिट को कैसे एडजस्ट किया? 0 देके. डिवाइडेड बाय 2, बट हियर नो डिनोमिनेटर वाज देयर, तो वी विल टेक इट एज 1. ठीक है, आपको सिर्फ यही स्टेप समझ में आना चाहिए, बाकी के स्टेप आप खुद से कर सकते हो. तो अगर आपके पास डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट्स रहता है तो आप यहाँ पे 2 0 देंगे. आपके डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद अगर 3 डिजिट्स रहता है तो यहाँ पे आप 3 डिजिट्स zeros दोगे. But here only 1 digit was there after decimal point. That's why I have taken here only 1 0. Divide sign will remain as it is, 2 upon 1. Here we'll take only 1 as denominator. Okay, as no denominator is there. Now we will write this 48 upon 10 as it is. We'll convert this divide sign into multiplication sign. When we convert this divide sign into multiplication sign, this 2 upon 1 will become 1 upon 2. 2 upon 1 का क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon 2. Now numerator will be multiplying with numerator only and denominator with denominator. So 48 will be multiplying with 1 and 10 will be multiplying with 2. So 48 into 1 is 48 and 10 2s are 20. Now हमको denominator में ना 10, 100, 1000 ऐसी रेंज चाहिए. ठीक है, but now here 20 is there, है ना? तो 20 multiplied by 5 is 100. तो अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर को 20 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हम न्यूमरेटर को भी 5 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो 48 into 5 is 240 and 10 into 5 is 100. So 240 upon 100. Then we'll convert this 240 upon 100 as, we will check how many zeros are there in 100. 1, 2. So we'll go back 1, 2 and here we'll take decimal point. So the answer is 2.40. Answer is 2.40. Please note it down or else take screenshot of it. Now we'll move towards word problem. Okay, because these sums have already taught you by Reshma teacher. So here we have just taken a small revision and then after that we'll go towards word problem. Okay, please note it down or else take screenshot of it. Let me check your chat box. Okay. Sharayu, beta, Reshma teacher has taught you already. Okay, other students are saying, yes, teacher, we have to move forward, na beta. Sharayu, you can do one thing. Okay, after this, after the lecture is every lecture has been recorded in YouTube channel. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है, do the practice because unless and until you will not supposed to understand unless and until you will practice it properly. आप खुद से प्रैक्टिस करोगे, आपको पता चलेगा आपको प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे आ रहा है. तो आप YouTube चैनल पे जाके अपने क्लास की में जाके एक बार वीडियो भी देखो, तो आपको स्टेप्स कैसे करना है वो समझेगा, है ना. अगर हम बार बार रिपीट करेंगे तो और पोर्शन विल नॉट गेट कंप्लीट ना बेटा. ऑल राइट, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन. All the students are saying yes, teacher. So, only Sharayu is having some problem. Okay, as we are doing more practice, we can get it in. Okay. Now, let's move further. Just a second. The word problem is a road is 4 kilometers. Take your textbook and see the question. A road is 4 kilometers, 800 meters long. If trees are planted on both its sides at interval of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? Okay, how many trees were planted? So length of the road is given and how many plants will be planted. Just a minute. Let me share my screen with you for this. Okay, the question is 4 kilometers, 800 long. The question 4 kilometers, 800 long है. If trees are planted on both its sides, 4 kilometers long है, और उनको दोनों at the interval of 9.6 meter, how many trees were planted? Okay, so 9.
Okay, children, will wait for a few minutes.
Everyone, 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000. So 4 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Correct, 4000 only, है ना? So if 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so 4 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 4000 meter. Okay, so 4 kilometer means 4000 meter. Sir, length of the road. Length of the road is how much? Length of the road is equal to 4 kilometer 800 meter. अभी एक 4 किलोमीटर में दिया है, 1 मीटर में दिया है, हमको सारी चीजें मीटर में चाहिए, तो we will convert this 4 kilometer into 4000 meter. Okay, plus this 800 meter. So total 4000 meter plus 800 meter is equal to 4800 meters. ठीक है, so we got of the road in meter only. Getting my point? So length of the road is 4 kilometer 800 meter. ना हमको मीटर में, तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will convert this kilometer into meter. So to convert this kilometer into meter, we should know how to convert kilometer into meter, as 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 4 kilometer is equal to 4000 meter. So 4000 plus 800 is equal to 4800 meter. Okay, 4800 meter. Now number of trees on one side. कितने trees है? Number of trees on one side. Okay, number of trees on both the number of trees on one side. We need to count that number of trees, but we don't know. So number of trees on one side is equal to, रोड का लेंथ हमको पता है that is 4800 और कितने इंटरवल पे है 9.6. So we will convert this we will write down 4800 divided by 9.6 की हमको रोड का भी लेंथ पता है, कितने इंटरवल में हमने लिया है वो भी हमको पता है, that is 9.6. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 4800 को डिवाइड करेंगे 9.6 से. ठीक है, जैसे ही हम 4800 को 9.6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो दिस 4800 विल रिमेन एज इट इज. ठीक है, this 4800 will remain as it is. Okay, divided by 9.6 को हम करेंगे 96 and as only one digit is there after decimal point तो we'll take 10 down, है ना. 9.6 को हम कैसे लिखेंगे 96 और डिजिट डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद एक ही डिजिट है तो हम इसको लेंगे 0. ठीक है, नाउ 4800 हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, हियर नो डिनोमिनेटर तो वी विल टेक इट एज 1, इनटू करेंगे तो 96 जो है वो नीचे आएगा, डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, और 10 जो है वो न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा. नाउ 4800 divided by 4800 divided by 1 into 10 upon 96. Now 4800 means how much, 481230 देंगे. ठीक है, 1230 देंगे. तो 1230 देने के बाद 96 into 1 is 96. Numerator will multiply with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 48,000 upon 96. Okay, now divide 48,000 by 96. अगर हम 48,000 को 96 से divide करते हैं so we'll get the answer that is 500. So 500 trees are planted on one side. Okay, but the question is number of trees on both the side. ये one side का हो गया 500, हमको वो दोनों साइड में चाहिए. तो 500 into 2 is 1000. Okay, yes, let me see the chats.